how important is it to first do that for yourself? To love yourself first, to accept yourself first. Is it only then possible that we can accept others once we have,
Correct,
learned
correct,
to do
correct.
that with ourselves?
तब क्या करना चाहिए? लोग क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं ना, हमारे सारे क्रिटिसिज्म को हम ले लेना चाहिए हमें. Not react to criticism. Yeah, if you do not react to criticisms, then you have acceptance for yourself.
But sometimes it gets very difficult, Guruji. Like I'll tell you one
Correct.
incident which happened with me, okay, a few months back. I went on this show called Kaun Banega Crorepati. So I had gone with a lady called Ruma Devi, who is an artisan. She makes clothes in, and gives women employment. So both of us had gone on the show, and हमें आ गया एक सवाल रामायण से कि संजीवनी बूटी को हनुमान जी ने किसके लिए लाया था. और अब मैं रूमा देवी को देख रही हूँ और वो मुझे देख रही है और हम दोनों को मतलब हम ब्लैंक आउट हो गए. हम दोनों को जवाब आया ही नहीं. And after that, the incident was not so bad in itself. I mean, it was a little bit embarrassing because, it's something that we've learned as kids. We've seen the show, we've read the books as kids. But, itna time ho gaya, so certain details just, go out of your mind. It was a blank out moment for me. तो उसके बाद से आज तक, it's been like 5-6 months since that. And the kind of negativity and the kind of trolling I get for that one mistake I made, I don't know, it makes me feel so disheartened and makes me think that why are people so unforgiving? It's a very honest mistake,
No, but let them have fun. No, doesn't matter. You take it. So what? Okay. So what?
Like every day, anything I'll post online, the first question that people ask me, Ramayan dekha ki nahi, Ramayan padha ki nahi, pata chala kiske liye laye Sanjeevani Booty, and I'm like, oh God, make it stop.
No, don't take it also. You don't take it so seriously. You take, okay, like it's a,
Yeah, now I don't take it that seriously, but earlier it used to be like, when will this stop, when will this stop, and now it's a part of
because
life. But sometimes it makes me wonder also. Sorry,
see,
बोलिए.
if they, no, Sonakshi, ऐसा है, if they find many such mistakes, then they will jump from one to another. Because they couldn't find many other, they only found one, they will keep holding on to it.
So you're saying we should let them hold on to this one only.
Yeah, this one they can keep holding on.
But it also sometimes makes me wonder because all these people, just attacking me and about such a beautiful story and saying that you don't know anything and how can you not know this, and for me the main take of the story was about Lord Ram, just teaching everyone how to be a better human being, to be a better son, to be a better father, to be a better husband, and to be a better person in general. And without taking that learning from him, these people just sit and attack me every day, and spread negativity like that. It just seems it's so sad actually.
This only shows their mindset, people's different mindsets, different, they want to take up something like that. So, you should not mind too much, don't react, don't respond too much on that. But, you should take it lightly.
Stop reacting, and yes, and
Take
thank
it
you for giving
lightly.
me this perspective कि अगर उनको और कोई मिस्टेक नहीं मिल रही है मुझ में तो वो एक ही चीज को बार बार मुझे टोकेंगे उसके लिए. तो
Correct,
I
correct.
really like this perspective. I think I'm going to now see it in that way. Thank you. Yeah. We usually find ourselves to be very happy when situations around us are fine and circumstances are going according to how we want them to go to. But when they change often, circumstances, a lot of people find it difficult to kind of, like you said, ride that wave. And in those kind of times, like even a lot of people have sent me questions about their mental health and how they go into depression because they feel things that around them are not going according to how they've planned. So how do they deal with that, Guruji?
Especially you are asking about people who have depression, right? How to handle the depression. See, there are two tendencies that is coming among the young people a lot these days. You can see one is aggression. Youth are becoming very aggressive. At the drop of a hat, they start reacting, they start shouting, yelling and being violent, right? This is one side. On the other side, the youth are getting so depressed. So, for people to get out of both these extremities, extreme tendencies of aggression and depression, you need some guidance. That is where you need a proper meditation, counseling, all this will help. Meditation and yoga definitely helps to be more centered. And there is a mantra for depression. You know what is that? Sit and think about only yourself. What about me? What about me? What about me? You are bound to get depressed. Anybody will get depressed, because what about you? Finally, we will all die. That's it, right? So, so instead of sitting and thinking about what about me, if we start doing some service activity in society, ना औरों को देखे समाज में कितने लोगों को आपकी ज़रूरत है, आपकी क्षमता की, आपकी कुशलता की ज़रूरत है, आप दूसरों के काम जब आने लगोगे तो आपके मन में ये जो डिप्रेशन है वो अपने आप दूर हो जाएगा। यदि हम हमेशा अपने लिए खुशी चाहते हैं, खुशी लेने वाले बनते हैं, तो कभी ना कभी हम टूट जाएंगे। तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? हम औरों को खुशी कैसे दें? जैसे आप जब एक्टिंग करती हो, बहुत लोगों को खुशी मिलती है, तो उनकी खुशी में आपकी खुशी है ना। When people are happy about your acting, that makes you happy. So you are entertaining them, you are giving them some relief, you are giving them some message. इस तरह से देने हम शुरू कर दें. What best I can do to people in society. Like your dad was very service oriented. बिहार में कहाँ गांव-गांव में घूमते थे पिताजी. जाके he used to connect with people so well, right? Even though he may be doing, he would connect with people, and that kindness and connection to people can take you out of depression, I tell you.
That's so true actually. I think somewhere I get that from him also. मैं सोचती हूँ कि मैं एक actor हूँ, but my purpose doesn't stop at just entertaining people. मैं जानती हूँ कि लोग मेरी आवाज सुनते हैं, I can reach out to so many more people. तो इतनी सारी चीजें आती है मेरी मन में कि मैं करना चाहती हूँ, इतने सारे causes है, जैसे education for the girl child, ending of domestic violence, women empowerment, लोगों तक खाना पहुंचाना जिनको खाना नहीं मिल रहा है. So lot of different causes, thalassemia patients के लिए लड़ना. So lot of causes come to my mind, and सोचती हूँ कि अब एक ऐसे पॉइंट पे आ गए जहाँ पे हम लोगों की मदद कर सकते हैं, तो हमें करना चाहिए. उससे बड़ा सवाब का काम होता नहीं है, राइट?
करेक्ट करना चाहिए, और करने से और ज्यादा खुशी मिलती है.
एक मेरे प्रोफेशन को लेकर आई थिंक एक सवाल है गुरुजी की, हम इतनी अनसर्टेनिटी होती है हमारे फिल्म लाइन में, सिनेमा के लाइन में, कि हम आधी लाइफ तो एक सर्टेन लेवल ऑफ फेम, दौलत, शोहरत को खोजने में हमारी लग जाती है, और जब हम उसे अचीव कर लेते हैं तो आधी लाइफ उसे गंवाने के डर में खो जाती है. So how do people deal with that kind of insecurity, that kind of fear that you're going to lose whatever you have achieved? And why is it so important? Why is it so difficult for people to understand कि परिवर्तन अनिवार्य है इस दुनिया में? It has to happen, and why can't people accept that?
जब अपना लाइफ सिर्फ प्रोफेशन में ही रह जाता है, चाहे किसी भी प्रोफेशन हो, चाहे कोई इंजीनियर हो, कोई आईएएस ऑफिसर हो, कोई जज हो किसी कोर्ट में, तो इन सब का क्या होता है? मेरा प्रोफेशन ये है, प्रोफेशन एंड होगा कभी ना कभी, उसके बाद का भय लगता है. हम अपने आप को प्रोफेशन से अलग देखते ही नहीं हैं. जब देखने लगेंगे हम, सिर्फ प्रोफेशन तो एक पार्ट है मेरा, इसके अलावा भी मैं हूँ, मेरा जीवन है, ये हम एक विशाल दृष्टिकोण रखते हैं. When we shift the context to our life, then you see the insecurity will not be there. Then you are respected for who you are, not what you do. अभी एक व्यक्ति का सम्मान व्यक्ति के ऊपर होता है, ना वो क्या करते हैं, वो तो एक गौण है, वो छोटा सा है, वो तो इस तरह से हमें बनाना पड़ेगा। तो हमारा पर्सनालिटी को हम सिर्फ प्रोफेशन में ही पूरा नहीं लगाना चाहिए, उससे भी बड़ा अपने आप को देखना चाहिए।
So true. There's so much more to life, right?
Correct. Very much. Very much.
I'm feeling wiser talking to you after talking to you. But what about failure, Guruji? I think a lot of times when I'm doing failure is also seen in many different perspectives. Different people look at it differently. मैं जब इंटरव्यूज कर रही होती हूँ तो बहुत सारे लोग मुझे पूछते हैं कि आपकी ये फिल्म ने अच्छा बिजनेस नहीं किया बॉक्स ऑफिस पे, तो इट वाज अ फेलियर, हाउ डिड यू फील अबाउट दैट। पर मेरे दिमाग में मुझे ये नहीं लगता कि क्योंकि फिल्म ने अच्छा नहीं किया वो एक फेलियर थी। अगर मैंने उससे कुछ सीखा जो आगे जाकर मुझे हेल्प करेगा मेरे लिए, तो वो एक सक्सेस ही था। एंड अगर मुझे आई एंजॉयड प्लेइंग दैट रोल, डूइंग दैट फिल्म, वर्किंग विद द पीपल आई वर्क विद, फॉर मी इट वाज अ ग्रेट सक्सेस, although it didn't do that well at the box office. So sometimes I don't know how to respond to this question, कि आपने ये failure कैसे handle किया, क्योंकि in general also my parents have taught me कि success और failure को एक ही तरह देखना चाहिए।
Correct.
And that failure teaches you a whole lot more than success ever can.
Correct.
Right? Can you elaborate on that, Guruji?
इसमें यही है ना भाई, देखो किसी चीज़ का, जैसे फिल्म का फेल्यूर या सक्सेस एक व्यक्ति पर तो नहीं डिपेंड करता है, वो स्टोरी पर डिपेंड करता है, डायरेक्शन पर डिपेंड करता है, एंड अन्य सहयोगियों का भी उसमें होता है, भाग होता है। तो कभी वो सक्सेस होता है, कभी फेल्यूर होता है, तो इसमें क्या, तो सबका फेल्यूर होता है, कैसे सब आर्टिस्ट का कभी ना कभी फेल्यूर होता है, कभी सक्सेस होते हैं। तो इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाने वाली बात ही नहीं है, अपना कर लिया, अपना 100% लगाया, तो बस मस्त रहे अपना। तो फिल्म में हम सक्सेस फेलियर का नहीं देखेंगे तो लाइफ में हम सक्सेसफुल होंगे।
पीयूष के साहू has asked, Sona ji, please ask Guruji how to stop overthinking.
Overthinking. Get on the treadmill and start running. When you run fast, you can't think. और ठंडे पानी में ना हो, हम कहते थे ना गंगा जी में डुबकी लगाओ तो कुछ नहीं सूझता उस वक्त। So I can give you whole list of things that when you do, your mind will stop. Or watch some breathtaking scenery or a movie or anything. Or start singing at the top of your voice. All this can help you to find that inner serenity.
So true. Actually, if you do something that you like singing, dancing, I sketch when I want to calm my mind down. It's like meditation for me. So I just take a pen and paper, and the thought just flows through, and my hand starts moving on its own, and I'm like, it's just me and the paper, and I'm not thinking of anything. So true. You should find an activity that you really like.
Yes. नहीं तो बाजा बजाओ, कुछ नहीं तो थाली लेके बजाते जाओ जोर से।
ये महीना बहुत थाली बजा लिया गुरुजी।